My name is Erin Iverson. I'm a nurse practitioner and I serve families, children, and individuals in the Bowling Green community. I see patients of all ages, from newborns to the elderly. That's really why I started to do this, is because I would love to take care of someone from birth till death. It's a privilege to take care of babies and parents, individuals, mothers, fathers, grandparents. I love to focus my practice on pediatrics just because as a mom myself, I think it's an honor to step alongside parents as they figure out parenthood. So sometimes that looks like development or sometimes it looks like sickness. I think it's just a privilege to be able to walk alongside of them, educate them, and then help them in their times of needs. The first time I see a family, I usually, love to introduce myself, tell just a little bit about myself to the family and the parents. I love to get on the kids' level, show them that this is a safe place, and I also love to answer any questions the parents may have. And I tell them when they come back, bring your questions. It is my honor to answer them all and to give you some peace of mind as you navigate parenthood. I am from Russellville, Kentucky, which is about 30 minutes west of here. Bowling Green was my college home. And after I got married, we moved to Nashville and I worked at Vanderbilt Children's after getting my master's at Vanderbilt. I never thought I'd be back, but after having my own children, the community of Bowling Green is so special to be with your friends and your family, to raise your babies alongside of friends and family, and so to also serve in my profession is what brought me back here to the community that I love so much. For fun, I love to be a mom. I have 2 boys, 3 and 1, and they keep me on my toes. We love to be outside. We love to ride horses. We like to just do everything we can under the sun. So swimming, riding horses, being on the farm, that's what we love to do.